Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you another product, a very interesting product on ClickBank that you can promote using Google Ads. So if you come here to affiliate marketplace and you type in old school new body, so this is the product, old school new body. As you can see, it's got almost 28 gravity score, so it means that it is selling and you get 31.48 conversion. What's nice about this product is the product itself is costing $20 only. So most people will can be easily attracted to buy this product and to try the method that they're teaching using this old school new body product. So if you take a look, the only disadvantage that you can have here in this product is that when it doesn't have that a nice overview. I mean, the first page itself of the sales page is not that good for some people who don't want to read long articles. It might be a problem, but if the article is quite interesting, then for those people who are living in the US or English speaking countries may find interest completing the articles on how they can achieve this kind of technique. So okay, so if we scroll all the way, we navigate all the way to the sales page, to the actual sales page. So see here. Okay, so this is the last page. At least here, there's a lot of information you can get to create your landing page. So it is very important to create your landing page so your audience will get, engage and get the summarized information from the sales page. So without reading further on this one, completing all the articles. Okay, so after that, this is the actual sales page. So as you can see here, they've got a nice, lots of information of their, from their sales page about achieving this body. And what's interesting is later when I showed you on Google Planner, Keyword Planner, it actually does have a search volume, which is quite interesting. And as you can see, this product, so we keep scrolling down. So the actual sale price of this product is $50, but they can get it for $20. So lots of people will be interested. $20 is nothing if the actual person is actually looking for this um, product itself, old school new body, which I'm going to show you now. So if you go to Keyword Planner and click this discover new keywords, so make sure you select here United States. Okay, and click on save. And if you type in old school new body and type in without the spaces, old school new body, okay, get search results. So as you can see here, it gets up to 1,000 1,000 search per month. So that means it's people are actually searching for this product. So you can use this keyword. And if you go to keyword tool free here, keyword toolfree.com. So I'll be leaving the link of this fantastic keyword tool you can use for your everyday keyword research. There is actually search volume. So every time you check something in Google Keyword Planner, make sure you come here to keywordtoolfree.com in order for you to check if there is actually search volume. So as you can see, 210 people are searching for this term itself, the exact product, for that ClickBank product that we are going to promote. So it's actually not competitive, so not too much competition happening, and it's highly converting. It's because of the price itself. It's just $20, and there's, as you can see, just $1 trial, and you can get 31.48 conversion each time you a person sign up for this product. And very important, you create a landing page using the pagepro.com. So we sign in. Okay, so this is create a landing page like this. So very easy to use. So if you don't want to spend too much time on designing your landing page, so come to the pagepro.com. So it's very simple to create a landing page here. So it's free and unlimited. So make sure you do add new landing page. So let's create quickly. So the landing page name is old school new body. Yeah, just select type normal, and here old school new body. So just do that. Don't forget to click these yes, and continue to product, which is our button text. Okay, and the hexa code, maybe by default we select blue. We can change that later. And our affiliate link we can get from here. Copy your affiliate link. Okay, come back to the editor, that. All right, and the top bar text, okay, which you can find a simple phrase to attract your visitor. So come back here. Wait, pay just $1 today with using the voucher. We can get that we can put that so that we can attract more people to click on our affiliate link. And then the headline, go back again here. So we use, now you can, so here we can grab this headline, come back to our editor and use that. Make sure you use H1 and then the image. So the image, we will use the product itself. So come here, manage images. Okay, we will upload the product. Okay, the image of the actual product. So scroll down. So this is the actual product. Let's see if there's any bigger version of that. I don't think they have. Okay, but that's fine. Oh, here. Okay, we can use it. Open new tab. Okay, let's save this. Okay, save this image and go back to our image repository. Upload it here. Okay, select that and then click on upload. All right, we've got that nice image around here. Just copy the file name, very simple. Scroll down here. And lastly, the bullet points, which very handy because they provide lots of information here. We can put as the bullet in the bullet area. So let's see. Scroll down. Okay, we can use this. Very nice. Okay, to copy this correctly, make sure you open a notepad. So we remove any formatting. All right, and then copy all this. Copy, paste it here. Remove all the blank lines. So it will be nicely placed on our, the Page Pro landing page. Okay, let's copy. Make sure no blank lines. Okay, copy and then come back here, paste it there. All right, now save offer. Now it's the time to take a look at our landing page. That's simple, very easy. 2 minutes, you're done. Okay, let's see. View landing page. As you can see here, we've got our landing page ready to get promoted. So see here, we can think we can just leave 3. Just have 3 because the texts are too long. So we remove, save offer, refresh. That's it. Very simple. Now, very important to add a little article at the bottom, which we can do the same thing here. So here in the article headline, come back to the landing page. Okay, we grab another image. Their exercise image is too small for our article. What we can do is, if you want to get a high quality image, come to this website. It's called Text on Image Generator. What you can do here is, generate new image. Let's see if we can find. Okay, this is exactly what we're looking. So download this. Okay, now we can use that on our page. Again, browse that, upload. Now we can just grab the file name, copy, go back to our editor. Okay, now the article headline. Okay, let's grab some catchy headline again here. The best buddies. Okay, we can grab this. Okay, that's it. Make sure it's heading 1. Remove any formatting. Okay, heading 1, and then the text. Okay, so just copy any text, or if you want, you can write your own. Use the textify.com, which I'm always showing in this channel, but just for the purpose of completing this video. So let's do this. So we put that, so this next paragraph will be on the bottom of the image. Save offer. All right, we're done. Let's check our landing page. Great, look at that. We have a nicely built landing page that we can, ready to get promoted on new Google Ads, right? Very simple and very effective. Now to create the campaign, okay, let's head over to here. Click this new campaign. Now what we do here is click website traffic and then click on continue. Make sure you select search, then the campaign name. It's old school new body. Click on continue. Make sure you select clicks, and for this one we won't be spending too much, so start with 0.20 cents per click. click on next, and then here untick this, so our traffic will be from Google only, not from the Google partners. Okay, and here select United States, click this. Okay, once it's selected, just click on next, leave the language as English. So this is the very important step. We come back to the keyword, make sure we copy this, we use this, and another keyword is this one. Okay, one is reviews, and then the second keyword is the product alone. We can also use with spaces. All right, so see here, it's estimating. Okay, so that's fine as long as we know that this has search volume, as we check in Google Planner itself and on keyword tool free, then that's fine. Okay, now the final URL, very important. So you have to go to all landing pages and then click this. This will be the final URL to set up our campaign. All right, very easy. Without a domain, without a website, you can create a very beautiful landing page using the pagepro.com. Okay, so that's it. And then a headline, very easy to do, old school, new body. And then you can get some catchy tagline around from your, landing page itself. Um, just okay, we take this, just 90 minutes a week. Okay, come back to campaign, and then at least 3 headlines. Okay, just $1 today with this voucher, so you can add that maybe until here. Okay, and then your description. Okay, you can always grab from your, here, this one. So you can just modify. So after it's done, this is the last step. Once it's all completed, you just click next and you click on submit. Google will have at least 24 hours to review your ads, and once the ad gets approved, you can start monitoring and adjust your search, adjust your cost per click and budget per day in order for you to, if you're in order for you to increase or reduce the estimated amount you will be spending per week. So that's it. Check out my other videos on my channel, so to learn more about this and to learn more about the pagepro.com and other tools that I'm using, free tools that I'm using to do affiliate marketing. So hope you like this video, and yeah, that's about it for today. Thank you.